Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs and also showing you a few things that I bought from Dollar Tree, what I could find at mine. These are just the first two things I'm showing y'all. Both of these are called DIY signs. This one is shaped like a bell and this one like a snowflake. I decided to do it like this, you guys, because I was supposed to post a Dollar Tree Christmas haul on Friday and then some DIY Saturday. Well, we had some car troubles Friday. We had to get all that fixed. And then it was my friend's birthday that night. We were just super busy this weekend and I did not get to do that for you guys. So I'm going to show you what I got and then we'll get into the DIY. So these are the first two things. I think they do have some more, but these were the ones I found at mine. I like them because they are wood, so you have so many different options to do with these. You guys correct me if I'm wrong, but last year I did not see these stencils. So these were the two that I seen at mine again, and I picked up both. They come in a 2-pack. I really like them because I was just obviously thinking, oh my god, I can create some Christmas signs out of these. This one says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and then the second one is just some fun little images. So 2 stencils in this one, and then this one has like a candy cane, Christmas tree, you know, a bunch of different little things. And then this one says season's greetings. And then I picked up this 5-pack of little Christmas trees. So you can think of so many different DIYs to do with this, which I'm actually going to show you something today using these little Christmas trees. My Dollar Tree did actually have a lot of Christmas ribbon out already, but I need to go through my Christmas bin to see what I have. So I just picked up one like this. This one just says ribbon, 9 feet, and it's just a glittery red ribbon with some snowflakes. Then I picked up these little pine cones and they smell so good. It smells just like cinnamon. Like I should have picked up more before they sell out, but I think it's so cute because they have big ones and they have little tiny ones in here. Now I'm going to show you a lot of the farmhouse ornaments they have this year. You let me know down below if you've seen these last year or they're new, because I am not too sure about some of these. So they had this ornament bell, really pretty. Then I found this Christmas Santa sleigh, cute little Santa on there. I do not remember seeing these last year. A 2-pack of cute little RVs. I'm gonna zoom in a little. And they have glitter on them. Super cute, 2 for $1. Then I picked up this reindeer. Really nice. I'm thinking of so many different DIYs I can do with these ornaments. This one is cute because it's farmhouse, but it's also glittery. And then I found the little Merry Christmas red truck with the tree on the back. Okay, and the last ornament and last thing I picked up from Dollar Tree for Christmas was this really cute little barn door with the wreath, and it has some red and black buffalo check right there. I think that's so cute. So I did not see this last year either. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get into the DIYs I have for you. I'm just gonna be taking these 3 random signs. I'm gonna turn them around, remove the sticker. I always have a hard time doing this. Remove the sawtooth hanger, and then we will paint all 3 of these red on the inside. Okay, so I need 3 to create this joy sign that I'm going for. So I had these 2 already and I was looking for a 3rd one, and I had previously used this for a different DIY that I wasn't using anymore. So that's why you see this one painted that way. But not to worry, I'm gonna be taking some of the red paint like I had said. It's called Christmas Red last year from Hobby Lobby, and I still have a lot of it. So now I'm gonna, after removing the stickers and kind of sanding those holes down a little bit, I'm gonna paint the inside. And I'm not gonna worry about these little holes right there because I'm gonna cover them up with something. I'm gonna be taking these crab sticks. They have, I believe, 2 different sizes at Dollar Tree. They have this one and then a bigger size, so it's up to you on which ones you want to use. But I'm gonna take these and stain them with my Minwag Jacobin. Normally I either take an old piece of rag or paper towel, which I think a rag is better because paper towel, when you rub it on, sometimes it tears. So I'm gonna be staining a lot of these crab sticks. I'm not sure exactly how many I need yet. So I'm gonna show you, and then I will wipe off the excess like I normally do. All right, what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and cut off the edges and then stain them, because as you can see, I still have to stain that part. So this is gonna be the frame that goes around each of the 3 frames. And what I figured out was that you need these 2 pieces. The bigger piece is a 3 7/8 of an inch piece of craft stick, and then the smaller piece is about 2 inches. So you need 4 of the longer ones and 4 of the shorter ones in those sizes, and then you can create your frame. So I have the frames ready to go, and I'm just gonna glue them on with my hot glue gun. That's why I had mentioned that it didn't matter if I painted the edges right here, because I'm gonna cover them up with the craft sticks. This red is a little bit brighter than these 2 over here, because remember, this was the one that was painted like a white cream color on the inside. So that's my only mistake from that, but I'm just gonna put that one in the middle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the frame around it. All right guys, look how pretty these look already. Really nice. All right, so I'm just taking these little poster letters that I have been having for a really long time, and I'm gonna use these inside of there, and I'm gonna trace them and then paint them white. I'm going to take my linen white chalk paint, a small brush, and go ahead and paint the inside of these letters. Alright you guys, so I think this would be a cute idea to have them on your staircase like this, or you can obviously put it on a console table, fireplace, you know, anywhere you like, up and down this way or sideways, you know, it's up to you. But I think this turned out really cute, very Christmas farmhouse decor. So let's go ahead and move on to the second DIY. I'm going to be taking this Halloween sign because I really like the shape of it. I'm going to turn it around, remove this. So I normally sand down the 2 holes, and now I'm going to add some of the Dollar Tree spackle.
When I'm fast asleep,
I've sanded that down. As you can see, it's flat now. So what I'm gonna do is my linen white chalk paint and paint this whole thing. I'll probably need 2 coats. I took out my stencils and I'm going to be spelling out Farm Fresh Christmas trees. I only have one F and one R, so once I do this part, then I can move those 2 letters right here. So I'm going to use my jet black from Apple Barrel to do that, and a stencil brush. Now what I'm gonna do is take these Dollar Tree Christmas trees like I showed you at the beginning of the video. Comes in a 5-pack. I'm gonna take some of these and I'm gonna Mod Podge this pretty buffalo check scrap paper from Hobby Lobby. I bought it a while back, well actually last year, and I think it was on sale 3 for $1, I believe. So I'm just gonna figure out how many trees I'm gonna put right here. Sorry, my hands are like super dirty. So hard to always get that stain off. Every time I do DIYs, I wash my hands so many times during my video. Oh, and it also comes with this little twine, which I might use on that little circle area to maybe make a little bow. I might, I'm not sure yet. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and trace them on here and then cut out the shape. I got my matte Mod Podge right here. I just poured some on the lid. All of my little craft paper cut out. Now I'm going to take one and take a sponge brush. Rub this all on here really good. I'm just gonna glue them down with my hot glue gun. The last thing I'm gonna do to this is take the little pieces of twine that came with the little trees, make a little bow out of it. Okay, you guys, so this is how my little sign came out. Really came out cute, and it was really easy. You could also paint the little wooden Christmas trees or stain them. I think that would be really cute too and more farmhouse. But I really like the way this one came out. I think the buffalo check and the white together, that contrast just makes both stand out really well. So, all right, now let's move on to the third and final DIY. All right, for the last one, I have this snowflake sign and this red truck ornament. This one's gonna be very simple, but I'm excited the way it's gonna come out because I really like using stain because it just makes it look more farmhouse. So I'm gonna be using that same Jacobian stain on this. So I'm just first going to sand that down, flatten it. I'm gonna grab my craft paper. Now I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue down the red truck. Now I'm going to take this Christmas ribbon and make a little bow for the top of that. And then I'm just going to take some Dollar Tree twine, place it inside of the hole at the top so I can hang it up. Alright you guys, so this is the last DIY. I know a lot of you love the red Christmas trucks. I think they're so cute too. So this one was very, very simple. It took me minutes to make this one. So I hope you guys can give some of these a try. If you do, let me know. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.